You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this beautiful name of Slavic origin, Eastern Europe. It means hope. What a beautiful meaning for it. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Russia, Ukraine, stay tuned. Nadezhda, Nadezhda, so that'd be your Russian, also Ukrainian pronunciation. It's also used in Bulgaria, other Slavic countries. Nadezhda, alright? The ZH is like a J sound, a soft G. Nadezhda. It's easy once you know Nadezhda, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.